Hey guys, welcome. Doing the little live analysis today. Let's see what we got. I was looking for VVV T actually. No, I said there is a shorter one and there is a higher one. So now the longer period got a length trend regression at 69. Don't ask me why 69, but it's working out pretty good to spot the trend actually, and not only for spotting the trend, but also for the VVV in combination. All right, like this or like this signal here. Okay, so let's see how the chart is moving. What we discussed in the previous Zoom session, this is the same actually, but with the longer periods and the 5-color rule can make pretty good trades, in my opinion. The Dow Jones, yeah, breaking above the zone zero line. There is bullish momentum as well, but we got the sell signal. So I would wait for the next buy signal and go with the trend actually. I don't see how the Dow Jones, strange, like this. All right, so we got the color red and we'll break out. It seems like it's moving in a channel. The previous break trend line. So this is our next trend line. One, new structural 2, new structural 3. So this is also a good setup, because if I look, when we cross the zero line, we're gonna cross the trend line as well. If we cross the trend line, of course, there is every opportunity now to do a rally to the previous zone. Which one is giving here? Here is the first one, here is the second one. Right. So this could be a good opportunity, but until we stay below this trend line, we're gonna go downstairs, and you see the previous Fibonacci zone is also breaking here. So we're waiting for the confirmations. All right. Let's see, Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD seems like a bullish momentum. Got above the zero line. We are up the top on the destroyer. We got the buy signal here, but it's now not the best option to enter. There is a high volume right now. Yeah, this one, let's see. All right, if we're crossing this zone, we're gonna going to the next zone, which is 30 pips further. 27 to be correct. And yeah, I want to see break, correction, and go up. Wait for also the confirmation here, because now there is not the, you see, there is a sell signal right there. If we see the close in 30 minutes, we crossed it also the VVV T, the shorter period VVV T. So maybe one more move down, and then, so this will be good for entry, actually. I'm gonna watch this zone here. Otherwise, we're gonna see consolidation like this, and then we can make entry there, actually, right? Let's see what we got. Euro USD. That's a GPY. Australian dollar, then. This was the point of breaking the zero line, and you see those crosses above the zero line and the buy entries. Those are good opportunities to go with the trend. And you see the longer periods as well. So I'll show it again to 69, and it comes beautiful together with the VVV. All right, here as well, here as well. Okay, so visually this is a huge advantage to spot the trend and to make those moves with the sniper entry. Okay, here was buy signal as well. Here was a continuation. So you see the sell has disappeared here because the candle is also positive now. So in my opinion, if we close like this, we're gonna get the next candle as well in our favor. Let's see the bigger moves, higher time frames. Seems like there was a zone. And if this zone breaks, there is a possibility to go all the way up first here. First here, and second target here. Like I said in previous Zoom, the 5 colors rule, when every color matching on the VVV destroyer, on the VVV plus, and on the main. Yeah, I was almost forgetting from here. So from the flex div, I move the flex div instead of the VVV to the destroyer. I was watching how it's moving together, and it's kind of mind-blowing because when you see this is already up in the overbought zone, and when the cross is happening, then it's also a good opportunity to spot the momentum in the trend in the trade actually. So when we break the slower VVV T and we get the colors, we get the sell signals, we get the bearish divergences, and it crosses below, then that's a huge opportunity. Or when you see the thing like this, it will say like when the RSI zone as so when we get the RSI zone and the RSI zone breaks, we see the same like here, that we stay above the line or below the line, and even if it's spiking back and you make those trades actually, when it comes to an overbought zone and we are below the zero line, we're gonna see a continuation down. And when we cross above and it comes to an oversold zone, we're gonna get candles back to the upside. All right. Want to watch this level if this happens from here, break this zone. Say here is our stop loss. And I will target this, not the first zone, but the second zone. This looks nice. And if you're going to smaller time frames, I'm gonna make it a little correct. So it's like this, the previous candle. And yeah, this is gonna be a good opportunity in my opinion. But we have to first break the zone here and close above the zone. So importantly, trade on candle closes. So if your candle is not closed yet, the confirmation is also not confirmed yet. So there is importance of the candle close always in every situation actually. So let's see how this working out. We'll lay it from here. We'll publish it as well. Publish idea. Confirmations. Stroke. break retest. So the VVV T, we got now both colors in green, but we broke the shorter period, so we're waiting for this. Like I said, the candle close is important. Waiting the green. Candle. And the destroyer. I don't see the divergence, I see the convergence in the market. So we made a high from this point. And this is a higher close actually, so this close it higher. And yeah, I want to see now something like this here happened with the VVV. All right, the destroyer get into the red zone already here. Yeah, it's crazy. Even if it was a bullish momentum right there. All right, so waiting for the break, waiting for the momentum because it's look good. The high volume is there. There is a possible correcting move like I showed before. Well, maybe just like this and then this. So if it gets to this area, this is also an entry opportunity, right? But watch the trend line first of all, because if you don't break the trend line, then we are not able to move to the upstairs. All right. Oh, yeah, that's not what I wanted. Yes. Okay. So on this rare convergence. T. Okay, so I think this is gonna be a good one, in my opinion. right, so this is down. Let's see the next chart. Maybe the gold. It's interesting because the yields and the Euro USD in the past month didn't move together. What is the conclusion? Is actually simple. The GPY pairs are in weakening. When the GPY pairs are in weakening, so the gold going in that direction most of the time. There is a big correlation between the two. So let's see, you can spot it. The GPY. So wait, I'm gonna try it in different mode. With the same scale. All right, no new price scale. Oh, that's it. That's it. So you see, when most of the time the USD GPY is going up, the XO is moving down. All right, now we see the USD GPY going down for a short period, and what we see XO is going up. All right, those comparing are strong actually. Like here, you see the fall. Right, here was the move up. So USD GPY went up, gold went down. And when the USD GPY went down, gold went up. Right? So you see the correlation between the two, and it's pretty hard, pretty good to know actually. Why is it happening? Why is it happening? And see those points when those gets together, then you're gonna understand more how the price is actually working. So we got also the confirmations here, where we were above the zero line until this point, right? Until this point here. But we got already the cross here. We got already the cross on the destroyer, and the flex diff break under the two day-3 moving averages and stays under until this point. And that's also what I told before. When we stay above with all flex diff, to still rising or going down, in fact, right? And this is also when we break the momentum. We got already the momentum break here, and here was a correction. We broke out or longer period VVV T, and then we go all the way up. Here, I want to see something same like that, but there is the but. See, even if we go down, and that is what I said in the last Zoom as well, I will target around this zone. So I'm gonna make the zone. around this zone. Why? Because we broke the shorter period VVV T. We came below, all right, and there is a huge place between the two indicators, so there is still place to make a movement down, and then after the consolidation, let's go up. So this seems for me like also a good opportunity here, but also the bearish signal on this point, right? And we broke the two T3 MAs, right? There is also bearish momentum right now, but like I said, the momentum is still very high. The VVV plus stays in positive above the zero line. So I'm gonna wait for those buys. All right, let's let it correcting himself and then going up. Right, it's like I want to see something like this, and then let's go all the way up. All right, let's see on smaller time frames. This is so we know there is a zone, right? There's a possible zone to make a retest, and we are below the longer period VVV T, right? Now we are also under the zero line on the VVV plus, but there is right now already I see 4 colors matching. See here color 1, see here 2 colors, and I see here the 4th color. All right, so want to see also correction on smaller time frame, and after that going down. Okay, it will be nice, but this is not moving anywhere. So what we can do in some shitty periods is like going on smaller time frames and yeah, doing the same like you do in higher time frames, but watching those moves and make quickly profit until it's happening what we are searching for. And if it's happening what we are searching for and we coming into this area, then we know what is the next step of the market. All right, until then we can here make good intraday trades, even on 5 minutes actually, because you see everything happening. You see divergences, you see oversold, overbought zones. You see when we cross, not here, we're crossing here, the line. All right, watch this also. In my opinion, this is a very powerful confirmation from the market, and the flex div on the destroyer makes a good combination. And when we got here also an overbought zone, see what's happening there. We're crossing below and we stay below until this point. Then we make another correction. We're coming into the overbought zone and we get hit the bearish signal and we go down. All right. So watch this happening, guys, and trade correctly with the trend. When every confirmations is matching, try to search for those trades, like here, breaking above, colors are matching, every 4 color, and here we get the confirmation of the 5th color as well. All right. To be honest, I'm watching now this 69, but it's possible that it's gonna be maybe a little shorter period, like 40, 40, let's see, 48. No, that's good, but it's too short. This looks better. Okay, this is interesting. In fact, so let's go back to 69. I'm gonna backtest this and making the little works to get the best opportunity out of the market, because when it's everything matching, like here the correction up to the zero line and we're turning from the zero line with the hidden bear confirmation, and we broke above below the VVV T. Those are the most strong signals here, in my opinion. And yeah, with this you can make plenty good money. All right, here the same, here the same. After consolidation, we broke down and we go down, right? So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will coming tomorrow with the next setup. See you there.